Welcome back to Rachel B. the Healthy We. Today I'm going to be making for you a gluten-free, clean dressing that's going to include mushrooms and artichokes. I'm going to go through everything that we have here, but you can change anything if you don't like as many veggies or the veggies that I chose. You can certainly switch that out. I used one 14-ounce loaf of gluten-free bread. I cut that into cubes. At 375, I toasted it for approximately 20 to 25 minutes until I got a nice crisp in there. You can do that by hand or you can buy one, whatever you want. We have about a cup and a half of portobello mushrooms. I have about a cup of artichoke hearts, 3/4 of a cup of red onion, 1 cup of bone broth chicken. You can certainly use stock if you want. I prefer the bone broth, and you may need more depending upon how dry your bread got. Rosemary, thyme, about 2 tablespoons here, tablespoon here, salt, pepper to taste, garlic, that was about 6 large cloves, and we're doing 2 tablespoons of yeast flakes to give it a little bit of cheesy flavor. So let's go ahead and get started. So you can see the consistency. I'm going to add another ½ cup because I made my bread pretty dry, so I'm going to add a little bit more. Some people add eggs to their dressing. That's certainly up to you. I prefer not, because if you change out your chicken broth for vegetable broth, this becomes able to become a vegan dish. So I also just prefer not to use egg. Okay, once everything's mixed together, I'm going to get a tray to put this into so that we can bake it in the oven. You can also drizzle a little bit of butter to give a little buttery flavor. We're going to put this in the oven at 350 for about 30 to 40 minutes. I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. Alright, so our stuffing has come out of the oven, and I left it uncovered for most of the cook, about half of it, because my husband likes a nice crispy crust. As you can see, he already scavenged some before I could show it to you guys. It does have a decently garlicky flavor, so if you don't like garlic, go ahead and withhold some of that. But a yummy dressing that's gluten-free and clean. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching.